Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about the Republic Day. Does everybody know why is Republic Day celebrated? If not known, I will tell you today. January 26, 2021 is the 72nd Republic Day of India. Republic Day is celebrated on January 26 every year to remember the day when the Constitution of India came into effect. India was ruled by the British for over 200 years. India gained independence from the rule for the British Raj after a very long freedom struggle. The main Republic Day celebration is held in the national capital New Delhi at the Rajpath before the President of India. On this ceremonious parades take place at the Rajpath, which are performed as a tribute to India, its unity in diversity and rich cultural heritage. Dr. Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution. It took more than 3 years of the lawyers, politicians, and experts in India to prepare the Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India was passed in the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949, but on 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India was implemented for all Indians. While India got independence on the 15th August 1947, Constitution and its values came into force on 26 January 1950. Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh and other freedom fighters worked hard to bring freedom to India. Though India became a freedom nation on 15th August 1947, it declared itself a sovereign, democratic and republic state with the adoption of the constitution on January 26, 1950. The official closing ceremony of the Republic Day celebrations known as Beating Retreat, which is on 29th November. Republic Day was celebrated as Purna Swaraj Divas on January 26th of the year 1930. Republic Day of India also stands as the testimony for our freedom fighters and their sacrifices. On the Republic Day, the PM of India hoists the flag at Rajpath. The 26th January parade is organized at Rajpath every year. India is a diverse country with 9 religions, more than 20 languages spread across the length and breadth of the country, and national holidays such as Republic Day and Independence Day brings people together. Republic Day is celebrated across all schools and colleges. Republic Day of India is celebrated with flag hoisting ceremonies, distribution of sweets in schools, patriotic activities such as debates, cultural dances, and speeches across universities, schools, colleges, and government institutions. Constitution of India was formally adopted on 26 January of in 26 January in the year of 1950, which is known as the Republic Day of India. Parade, dance, music, and dramas with a patriotic theme are conducted across the country on 26 January. The Indian Army shows its power during the parade, and finally they stand up for the national anthem. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon next to it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Happy Republic Day, friends.